morning, everyone. Welcome back to the pre-market outlook discussion for the day, the final day in this first week of February, the 6th of February. Yesterday, hope you all had experienced the range what we have discussed and what kind of behavior it shows, because it has not deviated from anywhere from our the range and the strategy discussed. Yes, the 25,449 is again acting as an important support, important level to give the direction for the market on the Nifty side. See, as long as this 25,449 is getting broken and breaking itself, one should get aware about the trend reversal line. Until then, no worries. It will be in the way of attempting the higher kind of sharp bounces or a pushback. So that pushing is now being attempted. Till yesterday it has happened, but the thing what not given the way for bulls or given the way for long traders to enjoy the stretchy or extensive way of movement means the thing of follow through buying. The follow-through buying not supported in yesterday's trend. That was the main cause for the yesterday's momentum not stalled or not maintained by the Nifty side. But anyhow, it is holding the recent low. That is the a positive one, and that is the core point one can take from the trend behavior perspective. So if it is so, or if it is maintaining the recent low that was happened on Nifty's side, 25,500 and odd. So as long as this level is getting held by the Nifty, the bounce can be expected with the 25,900 to 25,600 acting as a core positional based resistance point. And for the day, 25,740 again, that is the core interim range shift or behavior shift zone what we have already discussed many times, that will be acting as a trend decider for the day. So this is going to be the one and only resistance point for the Nifty in today's trade. So this is what the observation based on yesterday's and even for the recent 4 days of behavior we can get observed. And because of that observation, we can make our today's strategy with ease and clear, with confidence also. As mentioned here, until 10 o'clock, when the RBI's outcome is coming, there onwards the trend may be slightly getting direction. Until then, no direction is seen between the Nifty's level of 25,600 and 25,740. Between this level, it is better to avoid taking any kind of trade. 25,600 and 25,740. Between these 150 points, we suggest you to apply wait and watch formula without participating on either side of index or stock trades. After 10 o'clock, we are expecting no rate-oriented actions. That means no rate cuts may be happening, because the needed things and all already promptly done by the RBI side as well as from the government side. So that may not be leading another rate cut like the things and all in this February is a bi-monthly meeting. So no euphoria or no cheer from the RBI's outcome one can expect. But anyhow, that may be setting the trend after that announcement only. How the comments based on the recently conducted budget and the discussed things about growth rate, inflation control, like the things and all going to be reiterated or reaffirmed by the RBI panel. So that would be helping to set the trend for the day. Not only for the day, for the entire February also, today's hint may be helping the market to observe and make a behavior run. After 10 o'clock, after the announcement, expected no rate cuts and all, the commentary for the confidence growth and inflation control and all being happen means the volatility will be starting there onwards. After that, you can see the upward momentum or a bounce, like any bounce will be fragile only. No strong bounces are expected in today's trade. If it is needed to be a stronger one, it should contain or it should break and retain the level of 25,740 in the larger time frame like 1 hour. Then you can think of further push-ups or further upward momentum towards the level of 25,900 can be expected. After that, the break about 25,740 and 25,600, any side if it is giving the break means in the same direction, one can start building the positions. For an instance, if it is breaking and closing the 25,740 in any 1 hour or like the time frame means, there you can start building your long positions by utilizing any retracement. If it is towards 25,600 happening, it would be very good opportunity for them who are all likely to build the longs. For that, the confirmation only needed above 25,740 in 1 hour close should be there. With the target of 25,900, that positions or that build-up practices can be held and book the profits around 25,900 as a portion, and another one can be around 26,000 zone. So these are all the variety of strategies for the day trading. For the day trading, we have given two kind of strategies, and for the positioner also given in the way of treating the 25,449 break and closing about 28,740. So between this 200 plus points, the confirmation is yet to be awaited. After that, any side, if it is giving a confirmation from the positional perspective as discussed, means that would be helping the positional traders to take a trade accordingly. From the sectors front, yes, of course, the genius. Always we used to do term the metal sector like genius. Why means which will be the triggering point or the path maker for the trend, whether it is a long or short. As like the yesterday's one and the previous day, the metal sector is being the leader in the moving the markets. Like today also we can expect from the same metal stocks and all moving the markets. And IT, because of the sell-off happened for the recent 2 days, which may be having some opportunity to consolidate with a short covering basis. Watch mid-cap oriented IT rather than looking the large cap one, because it may not be having that much of opportunity for approaching the large cap ones. And energy, including this gas and OMC related stocks, may be performing well under this energy. Realty, based on the short covering, the attempt has been already taken, and continuation in the upward momentum, particularly from the stock of Oberoi Realty, Godrej Properties, Prestige Estates and all, may be happening today as well. Automobile, based on the results announced by Tata Motor Passenger Vehicle and Hero MotoCorp, already the stocks like Escorts and Mindoc. So these stocks and all may be pushing the auto index on the either side. And finally, it is banking along with the financial, several financial stocks can be expected to join the list of sectors which are expected to move the markets with a priority manner. From the stocks front, the day traders can focus the stocks based on the results announcement we have provided here. Includes Bharti Airtel, Indian Oil Corporation, that can be also under the energy sector one can focus. Tata Motor Passenger Vehicles, LIC of India, Hero MotoCorp, Power Finance, Suzlon Energy, one of our favorite and darling stock under our unique model of 100% return potential stocks. Berger Paints, Godrej Properties. These stocks can be concentrated by the day traders. Today's earnings calendar includes the companies like Tata Steel, Siemens, Sri Siemens, Crompton Grace Consumer Electronics, Bosch, CESC, IREDA, JK Tire, Lemon Tree, MRF, and Sun TV, amongst few more also queued up to release their quarterly ended for the quarter of December 1, 2026. So keeping stop loss would be very, very needed and important practice one can do across the positions you are taking, irrespective of the direction. So that would be helping to manage good high risk and reward, as well as the peace and clarity. So don't forget to keep the stop loss across trades. That's it from today's trade. Wishing all the everyone to have a fortune day to day, productive based trade day to day, because the consolidation will be confirming the next leg of rally, on which direction would be wait and watch. Thank you. Bye bye.